The next car that comes right now, that one, you have to make them hit the horn at least 3 times. You can do it in your own way.
How you doing, man? Just to make sure everyone's car's working, if you could just give us 1 beep.
That's one.
Just 1 more beep to activate the thing.
Oh, that's gold tactic.
Well, yeah, give us a beep. There we go, perfect.
One more.
Just to make sure he hears you. 3, 2, 3, 3. And then the last beep. Last beep, man. There we go, perfect. You can order. What would you like, man? Do you like burgers?
So we don't have that.
We don't have the burgers, sorry. We've got the chips though. Do you like chips?
Sorry, no, that's sold out.